How do I sign up for a BritBox free trial?
Hey there! Welcome to this tutorial on how to sign up for a BritBox free trial. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to get started with BritBox and enjoy their amazing collection of British TV shows and movies. So, let's dive right in.
Creating your BritBox account.
The first thing you need to do is create an account on the BritBox website. Follow these steps. 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the BritBox website. 2. Look for the Start Free Trial or Sign Up button on the homepage and click on it. 3. You will be directed to the account creation page. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and password. 4. Review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, check the box to confirm your acceptance. 5. Finally, click on the Sign Up or Start Free Trial button to complete the account creation process.
Choosing your subscription plan.
Now that you have created your BritBox account, it's time to choose your subscription plan. Here's what you need to do. 1. Select the Free Trial option when prompted to choose a plan. 2. You may be required to enter your payment information, such as your credit card details. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the free trial period. 3. Provide the necessary payment information as requested on the screen. 4. Double-check your details to ensure they are accurate. 5. Click on the Start Free Trial or Continue button to proceed.
Enjoying BritBox free trial.
Congratulations! You've successfully signed up for the BritBox free trial. Here's how you can make the most of it. 1. Explore the vast collection of British TV shows and movies available on BritBox. 2. Browse through different genres, popular shows, or search for specific titles using the search bar. 3. Create personalized watch lists to keep track of your favorite shows and movies. 4. Stream your chosen content on various devices, such as your computer, smartphone, or smart TV. 5. Enjoy unlimited streaming during the free trial period, which typically lasts for a specific number of days. That wraps up our tutorial on signing up for a BritBox free trial. I hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process. Now you can sit back, relax, and indulge in the captivating world of British entertainment. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming!